cop your 2-6 King Wavy merch, link is down in the description below. Click the link, it's gonna take you over to the website. Use discount code 360juice26 to get 26% off your brushes and do-rags. And for your hair care products, use discount code 360juice2020 to get 10% off. Stay wavy, Juice Mafia. God bless.
Pick it up. Ooh, I've been on the flex since flex zone. Neighborhood all in your eardrums. I ain't never scared like Bone Crush. Boy, I got God, don't fear none.
What's up, everybody? 360 Juice here, back with another video for you guys. And today, I'm gonna be showing you guys the fastest way to get your waist backs for beginners in 2020. And we are starting right now.
They ain't sick of me rapping. They know that I'm never lacking. You ain't never gotta ask me. I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam. I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out, but I'm backing. Need a new bank account with the cash in it. Hey.
Alright, first off, let's talk about why my hair looks like this. Okay, I slept without a do-rag for about a week and a half. Alright, so what I did was I washed my hair, but I did not wash in style. So I just washed it, didn't really do it the waver way. I just did it like just put shampoo, conditioner, and just left it like that. So I had a sponge and I just used a sponge and made it curly. And this is what I ended up with. So yeah, what we doing today is just the wash in style. And what I'm gonna be using is I'm gonna be using a mirror. Okay, I'm gonna be using a mirror. The shampoo I'm gonna be using is by 2-6 King Wavy. Next, I'm gonna be using a brush. This is an old crown brush, medium brush. I don't really use it no more, but it's a medium brush. Definitely gonna be using a detangling shower brush to detangle my hair. And these are the main products that's really gonna get your waves to like really come back. And that's this right here, a do-rag. But this do-rag is a little different because the holes in it are bigger, which lets the water go through the do-rag easier than if you were to use a regular silk do-rag, and it'll be harder to wash out the shampoo. And I'm gonna throw in a wave cap on top of it. That's basically all I'm gonna be doing. So I'm not gonna be talking throughout the video because I don't wanna make the video too long or too complicated. Just watch and hopefully you learn something from it. Without further ado, let's get right into it. Now guys, basically what you have to do is rinse your hair out. I'll advise you to rinse your hair out with cold water to close up your pores. And I'm gonna show you guys the results in about 3 hours.